Hi, this is Dan from XGC and BPN. I'm here to use your time mindfully by quickly walking you through our offering. Bio Nature Partners, as project developers, have contracted XGC to build the first truly end-to-end process manufacturing solution for carbon offsets, emphasizing reliability and transparency. Let me explain why we chose to build on open-source technology. It's no secret that open source is revolutionizing the software industry. The first wave began with operating systems like Linux servers, and now it's time for open source to transform the traditional software industry. XGC ERP is the world's only ERP with blockchain, which was designed explicitly for the carbon credit industry. It's a user-friendly, fully customizable enterprise resource planning solution, built on the Frappe Framework. Supported by a community of 20,000 members and over 500 core contributors, more than 10,000 companies use this base ERP and framework. Unlike rigid legacy software, XGC ERP offers a clean UI and is 100% mobile-friendly. Our ERP includes extensive out-of-the-box modules for businesses of all sizes, covering accounting, sales and CRM, procurement, inventory management, manufacturing, project management, HR, payroll, and more. We've specifically customized this ERP to streamline the manufacturing process of carbon credits. Here's how it works. When the manufacturing module creates each ton of carbon offset as a serialized inventory item, all the data about this unique item is tokenized and turned into a non-fungible token, NFT. An NFT is a unique digital identifier recorded on a blockchain, certifying ownership and authenticity. It cannot be copied, substituted, or subdivided. The ownership of an NFT is recorded on the blockchain and can be transferred by the owner, allowing NFTs to be sold and traded. We call it our green coin. But that's not all. You can create workflows with simple drag and drop states, make web forms, customize workspaces, create insightful dashboards, and more. We will also offer a marketplace for both contract customers and consumer purchases. Major clients can purchase blank yearly orders of carbon credits and draw down on their inventory as needed. The system delivers everything required to meet their offset requirements. We are transforming the carbon offset credit industry with standardization, integrity, and transparency. Join us in significantly impacting our environment while ensuring the highest level of trust and efficiency in carbon credit management.